First, we are going to reveal you a little trick to bring freshness to a casual hairstyle. Virtually everyone has a higher elevation of hair when this one is directed to one side than the other. Whenever we want to achieve a bit more volume, we should always comb out, especially for those hairstyles with movement and looseness. To do this hairstyle, we will need a few tools and a couple of products: styling brush, comb, moisturizing hair tonic, texture spray, hair dryer. Let's suppose that we are going to comb our hair immediately after the shower. The first step would be to dry our hair very well with a cotton towel. This way, we will remove all the excess humidity that the hair can retain. Next, apply a generous amount of moisturizing hair tonic. The tonic, apart providing vigor and freshness to the scalp, will allow us to hydrate our hair to prevent it from being damaged by the use of hair dryers or fixing products. Next, we will use a brush to untangle our hair by combing it backwards. Once untangled, with the help of the comb, we will do our usual hairstyle with a parting on one side. Finally, apply a little texture spray. This product has a lifting effect on the hair. That is, it slightly raises the hair and makes it more volatile. To familiarize everyone with these terms, let's say that the product gives the hair that irresistibly sexy touch. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth has arrived. 1 minute, quiet please. Challenge accomplished! We hope you enjoyed this video, and now is your turn to put hands on practice. Remember that you can find the links of the products we use in the description box of this video. See you in future episodes, and thanks for watching.